Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to learn transport in animals. The second part about the blood vessels. Blood vessels. Blood vessels. Yes. Vessels. Students, you see the liquid which flow in a channel, that is the vessels, and these vessels are three types. First is the artery, second is the second is the capillary, and third is the vein. Artery having the pure blood, and vein having the impure blood, and capillary both pure and impure. So students, you see the structure of the artery, capillary and vein. This is the structure of the artery. This type structure is the artery, and second is structure is the vein. That is the structure of vein. This is the structure of vein. This structure is the vein. And after that you learn the structure of the capillary. This structure is the capillary. This structure is capillary. This is actually the cross sections of the different vessels. This is actually the cross section of the different vessels. Cross section of vessels. So students, you see the different blood vessels and their structure. This is the structure. So again you learn about the artery. Artery are the thick walled with a narrow lumen. Second, the artery carries blood from the heart to other part of the body. Third, it carries oxygenated blood except in pulmonary arteries. And fourth, they are situated deeper under the skin. They are situated deeper under the skin. After that, you learn the capillary. What is capillary? Capillary form a network by joining the artery and the vein. It helps in the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide and the other food from one part to other part of the tissues. And third, they are both pure and impure blood. And fourth, they are situated very deep within the organs. Next is the vein. They are a thin walled tube with a narrow lumen. Next, it carries blood from the different back organs to back of the heart, and next it carries the oxygenated blood except in the pulmonary vein, and they are situated under the superficially means upper layer of the body. So students, you see in what is the structure of the vessels and what is the function of the vessels, and after that you learn what is the differences of the different types of the blood vessels. The first differences is the artery are the thick walled structure and it's having the oxygenated or the pure blood. Capillary is the branching of the different vessel. Capillary is the branching of different network which having pure or impure blood. And third is the vein that having the thin walled structure with the narrow lumen. Lumen means cavity. Next structure is the artery always carries the blood away from the heart to other part of the body. Capillary always help in the exchange of the food, carbon dioxide, oxygen, blood to the tissues, and vein are the carries vein carries blood from different organs back to the heart. So third function is the artery carries oxygenated blood except pulmonary arteries, and the capillary carries both pure and impure blood, and vein are the carries deoxygenated blood except in the pulmonary veins. So next differences are they are situated deeper under the skin. Artery are situated deeper under the skin, capillary are situated deep in the organs, and the veins are superficially found. So in this way you learn the what is vessels, types of vessels, structure of vessels, and after that you learn differences between artery, capillary and vein. So in this way students you learn very carefully about the blood vessels. Thank you so much students.